This is a very young couple. They recently purchased this condo, this amazing, beautiful condo downtown, and reach out to us to just help them decorate the space and just make the space their own. Really fun couple to work with, amazing dogs. This is one of many perks of working as an interior designer when you have the privilege of coming inside our clients' homes, get to know them, their kids, their puppies, their dogs. The condo has a little bit of that industrial feeling with concrete unfinished accents here and there. So we really wanted to make sure that we preserved that part of the architectural aspect of their new condo, but also bring those natural materials and that very relaxed space that they were envisioning. Something that we have seen becoming a little bit more of a norm nowadays is people working from home. So we wanted to make sure that we took that into consideration, creating a working environment space for each of them, as well as the entertainment area, living room, dining room, kitchen as an open concept, making it fun, making it relaxed, and also making sure that we reflected their personality and their lifestyle. So with those high ceilings, we want to take advantage of, lighting. I always say that light fixtures are the jewel of a home, and when you're walking around the house, everything that is hanging and also from the ceiling and on the walls will definitely have that focal point. Something that was very important to our clients was their personal art collection that they have been gathering through their, from their families and through their trips and the travel. So when we started the designing process, that was the starting point. We wanted to make sure that the art pieces that they already own were incorporated into the design. So each process is a little bit different from each other, depending on the scope, depending on the project, and also what is important to our clients.